Let's talk about the TAE40122 Certificate for in Training and Assessment Knowledge Question Workbook. Staring that thing down can feel like a pretty massive task. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by it all, you've definitely come to the right place. Today, we're going to break down HBA's Knowledge Question Workshop, a program designed to help you conquer that workbook once and for all. If you're feeling a little daunted by the Knowledge Workbook, you're not alone. The workbook is complex and can be time-consuming. This is a polite way of saying it can be a real grind to get through by yourself. Just imagine tackling it in a totally different way. What if you had a structured, guided path through the whole thing? Well, that's exactly the idea behind the Optional Knowledge Questions Workshop. It's designed to give you a clear roadmap from start to finish. What does this workshop actually look like? It's not a passive lecture where you just sit and listen. This is a hands-on session. You're actively working through the material, and this is the most important part. You've got an experienced, qualified trainer right there with you, clarifying things and leading the discussions. How do you break down such a huge task? Well, a workshop is laid out in a really focused 5-day agenda that covers the entire workbook. Let's take a quick look at how that week is structured. You can see how it all flows logically, right? Day one kicks off at the fundamentals and vet sector. From there, you move through core skills, dive into learning design and delivery, and wrap up the week with assessment, validation, and the admin side. Each day is its own manageable chunk. You can actually see yourself making real progress as you go. All right, so you know the schedule. Let's get into the nitty-gritty, the how, where, and who of this workshop. And there are a few key things you're going to want to know. We think that one of the best features is its flexibility. If you want that comprehensive walkthrough from A to Z, you can attend all 5 days. But if you're feeling pretty good about most of it and just stuck on assessment and admin, you can jump in for Thursday and Friday. It's really tailored to fit whatever you need. You don't even have to go anywhere. The whole workshop is delivered live in a virtual classroom using MS Teams, so you can join right from your office or from home, which makes it very accessible. This next point is really important. The workshop is specifically built around the HBA Learning Centre's Knowledge Workbook. You can think of it as a dedicated support system that's made exclusively for HBA learners. Because it's so tailored, it's absolutely crucial to understand this. If you're enrolled with a different training provider, this workshop isn't going to line up with your materials. It's not going to be the right fit for you. When you put all of these pieces together, what's the real advantage? What makes this workshop such an effective way to get your knowledge questions done? The quote from our guide really says it all. The goal isn't just to learn, it's to complete a great deal of the required work. That's the key difference. You walk away with actual tangible progress on your assessment, all done with an expert guiding. What's in it for you? It means you can speed up your course completion time. It means you can get real clarity from the group discussions, so you're not just taking a guess at the answers. And maybe most importantly, it means you can tackle those really tough questions with an expert right there to help you, which can save you hours of frustration. Ultimately, this is about so much more than just finishing. It's about finishing with confidence, knowing that you've truly understood the material. The question is, are you ready to accelerate your journey and finally put that knowledge workbook behind you?